Choosing the right partner determines your success in life. Hi guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. I hope you're doing well. If you haven't already, please subscribe, comment, like and share this video if you enjoy it, and let's get right into it. So it's important to make sure that you choose the right partner, regardless of whether it's in business, whether it's romantic relationships, whether it's a hobby or an activity. You have to make sure that you're choosing the right partner, because if you don't choose the right partner, that will be your downfall. This is because you spend so much of your time with this person. You go home to this person, even if let's say it's your business partner, you're most likely to spend a lot of your time with this person. So imagine choosing someone who doesn't have the same common goal, choosing someone who has almost different morals to you. You have to make sure that you're choosing to form relationships with people that are in line with what you're trying to achieve. If you're trying to be the best version of yourself, imagine, you have to make sure that when you're choosing that partner, you have the same goal. For example, in a relationship, when you get into a relationship, decide to spend the rest of your life with this person, you've already made sure that you've got the same goal. You're working towards the same thing. You're working towards building a beautiful, wonderful life together. But imagine choosing the wrong partner. That means you're never going to be in line. You're never going to be in tune. You could be working so hard to provide for the family or whatever. You get home and then you're met with criticism. You get home and you're met with negativity, what you didn't do, what you could do, what you should have done, and how you're lacking. Imagine choosing a partner where they feel like what you do is never enough. Eventually that impacts your well-being, that affects your mental health, and then you're stuck in a situation where you don't even look forward to going home. You don't even look forward to seeing your partner at that point. It's imperative that you choose people that have the same vision as you. Choose someone you have the same goals and the same outcome, someone that you can work well with. You can't be in a team with someone who is lazy, who isn't pulling that way, because at the end of the day, if you have a deadline to meet, whether it's in business, at work, or within relationships, if you're trying to attain a certain target and your partner's not pulling your weight, how is that going to work? Eventually that's going to crumble, it will fall, and you would have wasted your time and your energy into that project or into your relationship. So you have to make sure that you're choosing someone with the same goal, someone that will do more when you can't. It has to be a balance. You can't be the one giving, providing and not getting anything back. At that point, it's a transaction rather than it is a relationship. It's not a partnership. You have to make sure that you're choosing someone who will be your partner, will support everything that you do, and will pull their weight as well. You see a lot of people that struggle because they've chosen the wrong partners, people that don't even want to go home because of their partners going to nag them, people that have to walk on eggshells because their partner will lash out at them at any point, people that have to almost hide part of who they are to accommodate their partner, and that's not partnership. In order for you to have a successful life, for you to be the best version of yourself, you have to choose a partner that supports you entirely, a partner that will complement whatever it is that you're trying to do, instead of someone that's walking a different direction and you end up being apart anyway. So what's the point? Part of becoming the best version of yourself is having the correct people around you, making sure that you're all working towards the same thing and you're uplifting each other along the way. Make sure that you're building positive, good relationships with people. You're choosing the right partner in every single thing, and you're choosing someone that you can work well with. We all have examples where we're working with people that we don't really get on, and the project never really reaches its full potential, or you never really gain anything out of it because you can't work well together because there's other things getting in the way. So the same principle can be applied to everything. Make sure you're choosing the right partner. Thank you for joining me today. If you've enjoyed this video, don't forget to leave a comment in the comment section below, and I'll see you in my next one.